cookery. Today we are going to be making basundi. So the things you'll need are going to be 1 liter of milk, 1 gram of saffron soaked in hot water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and chopped nuts as much as you want. Now let's get started. In a heavy bottom pan, pour 1 liter of milk and cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes. After your milk is nice and creamy, add the saffron in. Now mix in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add in all of your chopped nuts and give it a good mix. Allow it to cool down and chill it for 6 hours. Ready to serve! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!